In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google as your home page in Microsoft Edge. If you're using Microsoft Edge as your daily browser and prefer having Google at your fingertips the moment you start it up, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and make that happen step by step. First things first, you'll want to launch the Edge browser on your device. This is your starting point. Once you have Edge open and ready, your next step will be to locate the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. These dots are your gateway to more options and settings within Edge. Go ahead and click on those dots, otherwise known as Settings and More, and from the drop down menu that appears you should select Settings. Now that you're in the settings, look over to the left hand side. You'll see a menu with different categories. Here you're going to want to click on Start, Home and New Tabs. This area allows you to customize what happens every time you open Edge, adding a personal touch to your browsing experience. Moving on, under the section labeled On Startup, you'll come across an option to open custom sites. Look for it and select this option so you can specify exactly which site, namely Google, you'd like Edge to display whenever it starts up. Once you've selected Open Custom Sites, you will notice an option appears to Add Site. Here's where you enter google.com. Just click that Add Site button you see next to the Sites section and type in google.com. This action ensures that Edge will open Google as soon as it launches, saving you time and hassle in your daily browsing routine. But let's not stop there. We also want to ensure you have easy access to Google with just one click by configuring the Home button. Scroll down a bit further until you reach the Home button section. You'll need to switch on the Show Home button on Toolbar if it's not already enabled. This will add a handy Home button right to your Edge interface. Once you've flipped that switch, you're almost done. You just need to set the Home button to open Google, find and click on Set Custom Site, and once again enter google.com. This little customization will allow you to navigate back to Google anytime with a simple click of the Home button from wherever you roam on the web. And that's all there is to it. So you've equipped yourself with the knowledge to personalize Microsoft Edge to suit your needs better. With Google as your homepage, you're now ready to browse more efficiently. Thanks for following along and enjoy your newly streamlined browsing experience.